Here's a question for you. Can Darrell Brooks get a fair trial in Waukesha County? His lawyers, say no.
Yeah, Brooks is accused of driving an SUV into a crowd at the Waukesha Christmas parade last November, killing 6, injuring dozens more. He wants to get a change of venue for his trial. CBS 58's Victor Jacobo joins us live in the newsroom with the arguments from Brooks' lawyers and the prosecutors who are looking to convict him. Victor?
Yeah, Mike and Jessa, lawyers for Darrell Brooks say a change of venue will give their client a better shot at a fair trial. But while the judge has to do their best to uphold a defendant's rights, they also have to balance that with the rights of the victims and their families.
A defendant has to show that there is a reasonable likelihood that he or she can't receive a fair trial. And that is just a standard that the judge has to make a judgment call on.
Brooks' lawyers say in documents submitted to the court that of more than 1,500 jury questionnaires returned, 46% of potential jurors say they personally witnessed the incident or knew a witness themselves.
When you have hard-driven data and numbers based upon actual jurors' responses, I think that's pretty compelling.
On top of that, the lawyers show how even if people were not witnesses or knew a witness, they still were exposed to media reports of what happened, prayer vigils, donations for victim funds, and social media groups in support of victims. But prosecutors wrote in their response, exposure to the incident doesn't automatically excuse potential jurors. What's more important, they argue, is can potential jurors in Waukesha County set aside what they've heard and only listen to the facts presented in court. Legal experts say a judge also has to consider the rights of victims' families to attend the trial. So if a jury from Waukesha County or moving the trial to another county seem too harmful to the trial, the judge can also
bring a jury in from a different county. And that is, to me, one that makes more sense, makes economical sense, quite frankly, and that would have the same, offer the same protection that the defendant is looking for and that the court, quite frankly, is looking for.
Now, a hearing on this motion for a venue change is scheduled for Monday. Live in the newsroom, Victor Jacobo, CBS 58 News.
Very good.